Hello, Sam Spinella, your real estate guy with Spinella Group at Antero Real Estate. I'm excited to introduce to you our most recent listing right here in San Jose. 88 North Jackson Avenue, unit number 122 is located in the Jackson Park community. This modern home built in 2006 is a dual-level condominium with over 1,000 square feet of living space. You will find a very large kitchen and extremely generous floor plan, which is perfect for entertaining and being close to exciting nightlife and activities. It is conveniently located with easy access to restaurants, schools, shopping, freeways, and downtown San Jose. You are a short distance to Alum Rock Park, one of the most sought-after outdoor getaway locations for the South Bay. Low HOA dues allow you a secure community with private underground parking and a large pool. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like more information about this property or any other, please feel free to reach out to me directly. I'm here and happy to help with all of your real estate needs.